So I basically discovered a glitch in Feral. Sorry for the long, yeah. As you see, look at this. This is weird. Yeah, so I found this glitch on Feral, like today, right now. So I just want to say that this is an infinite lockpick, and I think I just found it when I was like finding lockpicks here. I basically saw this one and got the lockpick, but this somehow happened. It keeps respawning like this. That's unusual. That is very unusual. I had never actually, you know, got a great, like, let me just, so basically, I discovered this glitch-like thing, where this lockpick just keeps respawning when I get this. Yep, it just respawns all over again. So I hope they fix it somehow. And okay, I did create this look by the way, so bye!